So there are 4 cats. I have 4 cats. I'll call myself Hal. That was pretty much our first cat. You will be Leroy. Yes, Salem. You're a dick. Then I guess you will have to be Lucy. Now I have all 4 of my cats in video game form. I am very happy about this. Look at these guys. Oh, so cute. It's a little family. I just can't help but feel like something bad's gonna happen to these guys. Yep, and separated from the unit.
Long live the king.
So this is the world where everybody's robots, right? Surveillance camera? I see. So, I don't know what's going on. What? How the heck? Why is it? Am I hallucinating all this shit? Am I dead? Well, carpet. Fucking carpet. Yeah. Peak gameplay. Yeah. Fuck it. Fucking carpet. Yeah. Looks lovely. Ah! Seriously, I can see why they love it so much. Yeah, okay. I'm really confused. What exactly is going on? What's up, man? Are you good? You looking very Anakin-y. You killed him! All of a sudden, I'm an accomplice in murder. Oh no. No? Hi. Are we scared? Oh, yep, we're scared. Oh, okay. I know how to run. I already beat you to it. What are these things? They look so cute to begin with. Did you guys kill the poor robot man? Oh, shit. I think you did. I don't know which way to go. Oh, fuck. That's brutal. Come on. Okay, that was not that hard, but seriously, what the fuck was all that shit? Follow me, still. They responded. Okay, whatever you say. I mean, I don't know. Body required for download. Body required. Enter the door, turn on, find the body. Okay. I guess I'm trying to, like, find the robot body, right? There we go. Oh, body. There it is. Oh! I decapitated the body. Apparently that's what I needed to do. What's this? What is that? Ah, okay. B12? Great, it worked. I'm free. Thank you. I couldn't believe the cameras. The cat and the dead city. I can't remember my name. It seems my memory is corrupted. I've been trapped in the electronic network for so long. I know I worked for scientists who lived here. For now, you can call me B12. That's what it says on my exterior. Oh, that's the little backpack thing. It's like, no, I hate this. Get off my fucking back. Ew, gross. Oh, God, I fucking hate it. Ew, fuck. God. He really doesn't like it. It's so fucking adorable. This backpack was designed for small quadrupeds like you. Is this uncomfortable for you? Yes, I hate it. Get the fucking thing off of me. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. No, I won't. Look at me. Oh, Robot Man. It's cool. It's cool. Okay. The fuck? Oh shit. Why are they scared of me? I'm just a fucking cat. Raiden?
I must consult with the Elder Gods.
Meow.
By the Elder Gods!
This elevator is operational. Everyone knows that it's impossible to leave this place. Well, except the outsiders. But they're all gone now, except Momo. Momo. Hello. It's never going to work. Why did I let them go? I'm all alone now. Hey, you, what do you want? This is a picture of the outside. Do you want to go there? Well, don't bother. It's a waste of time. It will bring you nothing, but it will bring you only loneliness and despair. My friends had this dream too, but now they're gone, and I'm all alone. I don't know where they end up. I tried to contact them, but that piece of shit transceiver doesn't work. My friends and I took notes of our research outside about the outside. Here, take mine if you really want to go out there. It's no book. 1 out of 4. You're on your own. I'm done with the outside. Good luck. Ventilation power supply. I mean, I guess I need this, so... Sorry, anybody that needs air. Not quite sure where to go from here. What? Dear Christ, what the fuck? No! Where? I am in the back rooms? What the fuck? Oh, I've transcended this reality. Oh, God. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? I think I'm done.
Yes! Yes! Yes!